piece of metal talk? Could it reveal the shooter's identity? What if I told you it can?
Lifeless body on the ground. No witnesses. No weapon. Just one tiny bullet casing.
Welcome to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs, where science meets crime solving. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of ballistics forensics.
Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of ballistic forensics, the science of how bullets speak, even when the shooter stays silent.
Welcome back to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs. I'm Suresh Taruvu, and today we venture into the hidden world of firearms manufacturing, where every microscope, scratch and swirl tells a story. Our episode, From Barrel to Bullet, the manufacturing signature. Did you know that every firearm is born with a set of microscopic bite marks? Let's explore how the manufacturing process, with all its intense tools and machines, leaves behind unique signatures, making every barrel and every shot fired one of a kind. Now we'll discuss about manufacturing secrets, the story in every scratch. Deep in the factory, as machines shape steel into barrels, they leave behind imperfections and tool marks. To the naked eye, a gun barrel may appear smooth and flawless, but under the microscope, it is a landscape of tiny ridges, grooves, and scratches. These marks are never exactly same for one firearm to another. Even when made on the same production line, these microscopic etchings are what make every gun a singular identity, impossible to duplicate. Now we'll discuss the rifling process, spinning the signature. Now here comes the true secret, rifling. Inside every modern gun barrel, spiral grooves called rifling are carefully etched or cut by machines. These grooves make the bullet spin, stabilizing it in flight for accuracy. But every rifling tool weighs differently over time. This means each barrel curves its own unique set of striations onto the bullet as it passes through. Think of it like a human fingerprint, never repeated, even in twin barrels. The result, each bullet fired records a history of the barrel that launched it, carrying those distinct spiral marks to whatever or wherever it lands. Let us tease an exciting story from history. Long before computer databases, early forensic scientists like Calvin Goddard used comparison microscopes to analyze the marks on bullets. In a landmark case, these pioneers were able to link bullets from a crime scene to a suspect's weapon, establishing for the first time that these manufacturing signatures could solve crimes. In our next episode, we'll dive deeper into a real historical cases where these methods turned suspicion into conviction. Grinding metal to spinning grooves, every step in the gun making process leaves an indelible marks. These are not just manufacturing tricks, they are signatures that speak loud and clear in the forensic lab. So, the next time you see a bullet, remember, it is more than metal. It is a messenger bearing the hidden signatures of its fiery birth. If you enjoyed this behind the scenes look, hit like, share and subscribe to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs so you never miss a forensic secret. Drop your thoughts or questions below. Let's continue uncovering the mysteries of science together. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode with our ballistic case studies. Thank you. This is Suresh Taruvu signing off. Jai Hind, Jai Forensic.
Every bullet fired carries a hidden language. It's not just about where it hits, it's about how it was fired, which gun fired it, and what microscopic clues it left behind.
If you found this episode fascinating, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Taruvu Forensic Vlogs for more behind-the-scenes crime-solving stories.